the second International Conference of Mathematics and Mathematics Education, I will present the research had been done by me and my supervisors entitled Euler Scheme for a Predator-Prey Model Incorporating Predator Cannibalism and Refuge. Let me introduce myself. I am Maya Rainsari, student of Brawijaya University, and my supervisors are Professor Agus Suryanto, Mrs. Wuryansari Moharini Kusuma Winahyu, and Mrs. Isnani Darti. First of all, the background of our research was the earlier studies on predator-prey models. The predator-prey model is always interesting to study because the interaction between predator and prey is the basic of the food chain in the ecosystem. A predator-prey model was first proposed by Lotka and Volterra in 1925 and 1927 and had been widely developed by considering more realistic assumptions. One of the development is by including the assumption of cannibalism. One of mathematical model of predator-prey incorporating cannibalism was studied by Deng et al. In 2019. The model is like this, where N is prey population density and P is predator population density. In this model, cannibalism occurs in predator population seen in the last term of the second equation. The system had been modified in our paper in Axioms MDPI by adding assumptions of refuge in cannibalized predators of MP and by changing the predation functional response follow Holing type 2. And this is the modified system. We can see that the predation functional response is follow the Holing type 2, and there is refuge in cannibalized predator. This is our paper in Axioms MDPI. The model before is represented by a continuous dynamical system. We know that the continuous model should be numerically solved for practical purpose, such as scientific computation and real-time simulation. The Euler method is one of common methods for solving a system of nonlinear differential equation, which has been widely applied. Therefore, in this paper, we study the discrete model of predator-prey incorporating cannibalism and refuge in predator. And we analyze its dynamic consistency with the continuous model. The Euler discretization scheme used in this article is by replacing the first order derivative with a forward finite difference as follows. So we get the Euler scheme like this. This is the model and the description of parameters. The model has 4 equilibrium points. Those are the point of extinction of both population, E0, 0, 0. The second is the pre-extinction point, E1, 0, P1. P1 is like this. The third is predator extinction point, E2, K0, that always exists in R2. And the last is coexistence point, E3. N star P star with N star and P star like this. From the Jacobian matrix, we get that E0 is always unstable. If C2 greater than E, then E0 is source. If C2 less than E and H less than H0, then E0 is saddle, with H0 is 2 per E minus C2. Then if C2 less than E and H is greater than H0, then E0 is source. For the second equilibrium point, E1, E1 is locally asymptotically stable if H less than H1 and R less than B1 per K1. And E1 is unstable for otherwise. E2 is also conditionally locally asymptotically stable with the threshold H2. H2 is the minimum of these two terms. Then for coexistence point, we use lemma 1, and we get that E3 is locally asymptotically stable if this inequality is satisfied, and one of the following conditions is satisfied. First, the discriminant less or equal to 0 and h less than h3. H3 is like this. Or the discriminant is greater than 0, positive, and h is less than h4. H4 is like this. This is the proof of the previous theorem. We prove it by determining the eigenvalues of each equilibrium points using Jacobian matrix. If there is eigenvalue greater than 1, then the equilibrium point is unstable. While if all of the eigenvalues are less than 1, then the equilibrium point is locally asymptotically stable. We do it for all of the equilibrium point. Numerical simulations of system are carried out using MATLAB software to see the behavior of the system, especially the stability of the equilibrium point. For the first numerical simulations, we use parameter value as in table 1, and we get E1 exists, and the threshold of the stability of E1 is 4. We can see if we use a step size 0.05, the solutions tend to E1, and for a step size greater than 4, the solutions keep off from the E1. And we can see more clearly here with initial value very close to E1, the solutions keep off from E1. For a second numerical simulation, we use parameter values as in table 2, and E1 doesn't exist. So we can see the stability of E2 here. The threshold is 2. For step size 0.05, the solutions tend to E2, and if we use step size 2.2, the solutions tend to limit cycle around E2. We can see more clearly here. And for the third numerical simulations, we can see the stability of E3. The threshold here is H3, H.2503. If we use a step size H, the solution tend to a coexistent point. But if we use the step size H.3, solution keep off from E3. We can see it more clearly in here. This is for step size H, the solution tend to E3, and for time step H.3, the solution keep off from E3. The conclusion from our research can be seen in this table. There are 4 equilibrium points of the system where the term of the equilibrium points and the existence condition are as the same as in the continuum model. But for stability conditions, there are a big difference. Where in the discrete system with Euler scheme, the step size is very affect the stability. And we can see from the numerical simulation, and we can see from the numerical simulation that solutions, and we can see from the simulation, and we can see from the numerical simulation that sometimes the solutions tend to negative value, but in the continuum model, the solutions always positive. So there is inconsistency with the continuum model. Okay, thank you.